Thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Everybody say hello. Hello. We're going to do our meditation first. So we're going to think about our heart center. 2 fingers to find the heart center. Left hand in our lap and close your eyes. Good job. Boom, boom, boom in your heart center. When you feel the boom, boom, move that right hand down into your lap. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your mind on your heart center. And stay still, just breathing slowly. Let's end our meditation with 3 breaths together. 1, 2, and our last one, 3. Slowly start to wiggle your toes. Slowly start to wiggle your fingers. Slowly open your eyes and slowly stand up. Okay, stretch your arms up high. Stretch out all your fingers. Put your arms into a T and touch your nose. Okay, put your arms into a T and touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes and come up halfway and swing your monkey arms. Ooh, 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 ah, 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 ooh, ooh. You can make some monkey sounds if you want. Very nice. Come up and you have 10 seconds to act like a monkey. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, no more monkeys. No more monkeys. Very nice job, friends. Stand on one foot. Stand on your left foot. It's going to look a little bit different because I'm facing you.
Me like that.
You can do it like that. You can do it like that. So put your right foot out. Put your opposite arm out, your left arm. See if you can balance like that. See if you can balance. Can you do it? Good job. Okay, let's switch. Stand on your right foot. Stand on your right foot. Put your left leg out. Put your right arm out. See if you can balance. Ooh, it's tricky. Good job, friends. Good job. Okay, let's do 3 little jumps. 3 little jumps. 3. Good job. Let's do 3 little claps. Let's do 3 little steps. Let's do 3 little spins. You can spin like this with your finger. You can spin like this with your leg. You can spin your body. Yeah, you can choose how you want to spin. Very nice. Okay, let's do 3 big claps. Do 3 big jumps. How high can you jump? Wow, okay, take 3 big steps. 1, 2, 3. And do 3 of your biggest spins around. 3 big spins. Wow. Good job, friends. Everybody take a seat. In this lesson, we're going to be measuring the weight of some different objects, but today we're going to think about our hypothesis, or a guess, about how much each object weighs. So we're going to do a little bit of review, think about what a hypothesis is, and we're going to make some hypotheses, and measure some weights of different items around our classroom. So first, let's do our PowerPoint to review heavier and lighter. So let's review a little bit of our vocabulary. What do you think this boy is holding? What is he holding? He's holding a watermelon. Does that watermelon look like it's easy to pick up or hard to pick up? Yeah, it looks like it's hard to pick up. We call that heavy. You're right, heavy. It's heavy. And what about this girl with the apple? Is that hard to pick up? No, it's easy to pick up. What do we call that? Light. When something's easy to pick up, we call it light. Yeah, pick up something light that's on your desk. Something light on your desk, like your eraser, your pencil. Yeah, those things are light. They're easy to pick up. Yeah. And on our scale, remember our light things, do they go up high or down low? Yeah, light things go up high. What about heavy things? Down. They go down low, so our scale looks like this. Is this the light side on our scale? No? What is it? The heavy side. Okay, what about this one? That's our light side. Very nice. Yeah, our scale helps us see which is heavy, which is light. Some scales have numbers. Some scales don't have numbers, like this one. Sometimes we can hold 2 things in our hand and pretend it's a scale and think about, which one feels heavier? Which one feels lighter? So we can use a lot of different things as a scale. Our light things go up high, our heavy things go down low. And when we're talking about things that are more light, we say lighter. Lighter. And when we're talking about things that are more heavy, what do we say? Yeah, we say heavier. Heavier. Heavier.
Heavy and light.
Lighter. Heavier. Lighter. Heavier. Heavier. Lighter. Good job, friends. And our light things, like our pencil, they go up high. Our heavy things, like what? A table, they go down low because they are lighter or heavier? The things down low. Yeah, they're heavier. Yeah. Okay, we have our refrigerator and our pillow. Is the refrigerator heavier or lighter? Heavier. Yes, it's heavier. What about our pillow? Is that heavier or lighter? Lighter, you're right. It's lighter.
ตู้เย็น Hamburger.
Okay, ruler and sofa. Is the ruler lighter or heavier? The ruler? It's lighter. Yeah, the ruler is lighter. What about the sofa? Heavier. It's heavier. Our sofa is heavier. Our ruler is lighter. Lighter. Good job, friends. Our computer and our screw. What do you think? Is the computer lighter or heavier? Heavier. What about the screw? Lighter. Yeah, it's lighter. Good job, friends. It is lighter. Elephant and bird. Is the bird lighter or heavier? Yeah, that little bird is lighter. You could hold it right in your hand. What about our elephant? Heavier. Is it hard to pick up an elephant? Could you pick up an elephant? No, it's too heavy. Maybe a baby elephant. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that would still be hard to pick up a baby elephant. Yeah. Baby elephant, I think, would still be heavy. Okay, book and a paper clip. Is the book lighter or heavier than the paper clip? Heavier. And the paper clip, lighter or heavier? Lighter. Great job, friends. Very nice. Heavier and lighter. What about these two things? Apples. Apples and a book. Is the book heavier than the apples?
No.
Is the apple heavier than the book?
No.
What are they?
Equal.
They're equal. How do we know that they're equal? How do we know? Yeah, they're hanging at that same height. They're at the same level. That's how we know that that's equal weight. Good job, friends. Yeah, equal weight. Yeah, like the things you measured were the same weight. They were equal. That's right. Okay, we're going to think about a new word today. It is a very big word. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hypothesis. Good job. Hypothesis. It is a big, big word, but do you know what it means?
Hypothesis.
Good job. Do you know what this word means? Hypothesis?
No.
It means to guess.
It means
To guess. Like when we are thinking about something that we don't know the answer to, but we can make a guess, right? We can think about it. We can think about that and we can try to guess what the answer might be. So sometimes we don't know. We don't know, like, how many rocks are in this cup?
I don't know.
We don't know. Do you want to take a look and see? How many rocks do you think are in that cup? How many?
Rock.
How many? 10?
20.
20? 100? 15? You think 2 rocks?
20.
15, yeah. 15 or 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That is so many guesses. That's so many guesses. So for questions that we don't know the answer to, we can make a guess. Like we can't see how many rocks are in here, but maybe we can make a guess if we look and see how many are on top. Maybe kind of feel how heavy it is. So that's making a hypothesis, making a guess. So that is how we can make a guess, because sometimes we don't know the answer to things. Sometimes I don't know the answer to things. Sometimes your mom or your dad or your grandma or grandpa, they don't know the answer to things. So sometimes we can just make a guess, and that's okay. We don't have to know everything all the time. Sometimes we make a guess. So today we are going to practice making a hypothesis or a guess before we weigh each object. And we've done a little practice with that before, so we're going to have some fun with it today. Okay? So we're going to practice our hypothesis. Do you remember what letter hypothesis starts with? H.
H.
Hypothesis, H. It's a long word. So we don't need to worry about the spelling.
E-O-T.
E-S-I-S. S-I-S. And what is a hypothesis? It's a guess. It's a guess, yeah. If we don't know the answer, that's okay. We take a guess. We take a guess. It just means a guess. It's a very, very big word, but it just means a guess. A guess. So when we make our hypothesis today for this item we're about to weigh, we're going to say the sentence, I think, like I think the blank. So whatever we're going to weigh, like a book or a box, is going to go right here. Like a rock, yep. Is heavier.
Or light.
Yeah, or lighter. So in this sentence, we're going to either say heavier or lighter, depending on what you're thinking about. So we can end our sentence in two different ways. ER. So it could be heavier or lighter. So let's weigh some things. We've got our cup of rocks. What's this? A book. Okay, so I'm going to make a hypothesis. I'm going to take a guess about which one feels heavier. It's kind of hard to tell. It's kind of hard to tell. Think they might be equals? That's a good guess. You think the book might be heavier or lighter? Heavier. So let's see. I'm going to feel them in my hands. I'm going to think about it. I'm going to make my guess, my hypothesis. Okay, listen, friends. Listen. So I'm going to say, I think the book is heavier. I think the book is heavier. Okay? So who wants to come up and take a guess? Okay. Okay, let's have Lakao and Bangbon come on up. We're going to use those later. We're going to use those later. Okay, hold the book in one hand. Hold the book in one hand. Got it? Can you hold it in one hand?
Yeah.
Okay, hold the rocks in this hand. Can you feel them? Feel them? Which one do you think is heavier?
No, not heavy and no.
Which one is heavier? The book heavier or the rocks heavier?
It's heavy.
Book heavier? Okay, so here we go. Let's make your hypothesis. I think the book is heavier. Heavier. Good job. Okay, give him the Lakao. Let's see what Lakao thinks. What do you think? Can you get it in one hand? Yeah, you're strong. You're strong.
I think book is heavier.
You think the book is heavier too? Okay, very nice. Let's have a couple more friends come on up. Two more friends come on up. Okay, down and proud, come up. Feel that book. Feel that book and this cup of rocks. I want you to think about which one is heavier, and maybe your guess will change. Maybe your hypothesis will change.
This book is heavier.
Okay, can you do the whole sentence?
The book is heavier.
Okay, Prowl thinks the book is heavier. What do you think, Dale?
Book heavier.
Okay,
I think
the
book is heavier.
heavier. Okay, very nice. All right, let's have two more friends come on up. Do you want to come up, Ned? Come on up. Come on, let's have Ned and Putt. Come on up. Come on up. You are going to feel the book and the rock. Who's missing? Pak Boom, did you get to feel them? Not yet, right? Come on up. Take a feel. Take a feel. Pot, what do you think?
Nadia.
What do you think? Oh, Nadia and two. Okay, we'll bring them up next.
I think
Which one? Book is heavier? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Pak Boom, what do you think? Or let's have Nin.
Nid.
Which one feels heavier? This or the book? Okay, the book. Can you do our sentence? I'll help you. I think
The book is it heavier.
heavier. Good job helping. Thank you, friends. All right. Pack boom, check it out. We're just going to do our guesses. Which one do you think is heavier? You can go back to your desk. Pot, you can head back to your desk.
I think the book is heavier.
Okay, you think the book is heavier. Let's have Chu and Nadia come on up. So at this point, everybody's guessing that the rocks are heavier?
No.
That the book is heavier?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What do you think? Check it out.
Same thing.
You think they're the same?
Feet.
You think the book is heavier? Okay, here we go. I
I
think
think
the
the book
book is
is
heavier.
heavier.
Heavier. Okay, Nadia, check it out. What do you think?
I think the book is heavy.
Heavier. Okay, put that book on our scale. Let's find out. Chu, come here. Come here. How much does that book weigh? Here you go. Got it? You're going to weigh it after Nadia. How much does our book weigh, Nadia?
Mine.
Just the book. Just the book. What do you think? Take a look. 4? Oh, close. Remember when we're looking at our scale, we've got a lot of lines. We've got little lines and big lines. 2. Okay, good job, friends. That's right. We only want to look at our long lines, not the little short lines. Okay, take off our book, put on our rocks. Let's see.
Rock teacher.
Yep, put the rocks on. 1? 1 kilogram. Okay. All right. Were we right? Were we right about our guess or hypothesis? The book is heavier?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. Sometimes we're right, sometimes we're not right. That's okay. It doesn't matter. All right, let's check out something else. Let's check out something else. What's this?
Backpack.
A backpack. A backpack. We've got a backpack. It's heavy. We've got a backpack and 2 books. 2 books. Okay. I'm going to make another guess. I'm going to make another hypothesis. Okay. These feel that heavy. Backpack feels this heavy. It's hard to tell because I don't know if I can hold them both in my hands at the same time. So let's see. I'm going to guess that the books are heavier. I'm going to guess. I don't know. So I think the books are heavier than the backpack. I think the books are heavier than the backpack. So who wants to take a guess? Okay, proud, down, come on up. You'll go. Okay. Everybody will take a guess. Okay, hold the books. Feel how heavy they feel. Pick up the backpack. Feel how heavy that feels. I don't think we can do them at the same time. So hold it in your hands. Think about that weight. Got it? Oh. Yep, that's why we're going to do it one at a time, guys.
It's heavier.
Okay, so let's read your sentence. What do you think?
I think the bag is heavy.
You think the backpack is heavier? What do you think?
Me, I think the backpack is heavier.
You think the backpack is heavier? Okay, boys, come on up. Check it out. Check it out. Hold those books. Can you do it at the same time?
Yeah.
Oh, you're strong. Okay. What do you think? The books?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hear it.
I
Think
think
the
the book
books are
heavier.
Heavier.
Heavy.
Heavier.
Heavy.
Good job. Okay, 2. What do you think? Can you do them both at the same time? Got it? What do you think? Backpack? Okay, let's hear your whole guess, your whole hypothesis. I think the backpack. Hold on. Backpack is heavier. Heavier, okay. Very nice. Good job, friends. Let's have, hold on. We're going to wait. We're going to wait. Some other friends are going to make a guess. You can head back to your desk, friends. Okay. Come on up. Hold the backpack. Hold those books. Okay, feel how heavy those are. Feel how heavy those are. Think about it. Think about it. Okay, switch. Switch. Pick up that backpack. Okay, think about it. What do you think is heavier? Which one do you think is heavier?
It's book. I think the book is heavier.
Okay, you think the book is heavier. Thank you. What do you think, my friend? Backpack or books are heavier? What do you think? Backpack? Okay. I think the backpack. Good job. Is heavier. 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 Good job. Okay, Lacko, hold that backpack. What do you think? Let's give Lacko the backpack. Let's give Lacko the backpack. What do you think, Lacko? What's heavier?
I think the backpack is heavier.
Than the book? Okay. All right. You think the book is heavier? That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, we're going to weigh them right now. Some people think the book is heavier. Some people think the backpack is heavier. That's different, and that's okay. Sometimes we don't know. That's why we take a guess. Bangkwan, come on up here. Measure these books. Weigh these books for us. Weigh those books for us. And you can weigh the backpack. How much do those books weigh? 3 kilograms?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's throw the backpack on. Take the books off. Check it out. There we go. Put it up like that so you can see the numbers. What do you think? 5 kilograms?
5.
Wow, 5 kilograms? How much did our books weigh?
Yeah, 5.
5? Okay, how much did our books weigh?
3.
3. Which one is heavier?
Backpack.
The backpack. So I wasn't right. Sometimes we don't know. That's okay. If we make a guess, it can be right, it can be wrong. It doesn't matter. Does the backpack feel heavier? Or the books? What do you think? Books or backpack?
Backpack.
Backpack feels heavier. All right. Great job, friend. Good job. Okay, so everybody's got their little worksheet flashcards. And this is what it looks like on your paper. So first, we're only going to look at this side that says hypothesis. We're not going to look at this side that says results. So around our classroom, we have different stations set up. And we have different objects with different letters on them. What letter is on this? What letter is on this?
J.
J. What letter is on this?
B.
B. So I'm going to go to each station. I'm going to pick up each thing. I'm going to think about, which one feels heavier? I'm going to make a guess. I'm going to think, I think V is heavier. So on my paper, the first thing I look at, number 1, I'm going to think, I think V is heavier. So under heavier, I'm going to put the letter V. What's the opposite of heavier?
Lighter.
Lighter, yeah. So J is going to go right here.
Right.
Under lighter, okay? Lighter. You don't have to write it because you're going to go around to all our different stations and you're going to think about which one's heavier and lighter. So we're going to have, actually we'll do it in threes. Let's have these three.
Yeah.
We'll have these three. And we'll have these three. You're going to go to each station and you're going to pick up the different items. You're going to think, is it heavy or is it light? Okay, so everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Take your paper. Stand up. Let's have these three friends come to this station first. Everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Stand up. Girls and Nick, why don't you go to this station here? These are your two items, fish and the box. Hold on, Tangpon, come here. Tangpon, two, and let go. Or down, you guys over here. Yep, L and W. Okay, L and W. Which one do you think is heavier? So you're going to put the one that feels heavier. Can you help Ned with these letters too? Can you help him? Okay. Okay, so which one feels heavier? L? L feels heavier? Okay. Put it in your paper. Okay, write it on your paper what you think is heavier. What letter? What? V. Okay. We're not using the scale yet. Did you pick these up and feel which is heavier? What do you think, Nadia? Which one feels heavier? What letter? V? You think V feels heavier? And lighter. So you think this we're going to do together as a class. So you only have to look at this part. We'll do this together. Okay. That side you're only W, yeah. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? And L. You think W is heavier? I bet you're right. Okay. No. We're going to do this together as a class. So you're going to do your second one. We'll go right there. So what do you think? You got your letters? Oh, double check this letter. Look at that letter. It's a little bit different. No, this is fine. Because this is number 1 you did over there. So this is cool. You can leave your W and your L. So over heavier. Mm-hmm. You think W heavier? No? Okay, you can change it. You can erase. You can change your guess. Cool. All right. Just take a look at your J. Look at this way. It goes like this. There you go. Oh, hold on. Take a look at which way this goes. Okay, 2. What do you think is heavier? What do you think? Okay, be careful because it's got water. So pick it up here. There you go. Cool. Which one do you think is heavier, 2? You think what letter? J. Okay. So on your paper, you know what to do? J. And your lighter one, see what letter is on that? V. V, okay. Okay, finished? So we've gone and done all of our guessing, all of our hypotheses about what feels heavier and what feels lighter for our pairs of objects here. We just did 3. If you have time to do 4, that's great. Otherwise, 3 is enough. So we are going to measure the weight to see how heavy each of our objects are and to find out if we were correct on our guess or not. Is it okay if we're not correct on our guess? Yeah, it's okay. It doesn't matter. We're just taking a guess. It's important that we just think about it. So we're going to help measure the weight of all these different objects using our scale so we can find out if they're heavier or lighter up top, okay?
I think the box.
You think the box is heavier than the
I
fish?
think the box.
I think you might be right. Okay, let's do our rocks first. Let's do our rocks first. Pot, can you come up and measure our bowl of rocks? What letter is on our bowl of rocks? W. So we'll record on the board the weight of W, the weight of L. Can you put our bowl of rocks on the scale? Put it on the scale. Go put it on the scale. Over here. Here you go. You got it. Put it on the scale. Tell us how much those rocks that we have labeled W weigh. 5? 5 what? Kilograms. Good job. Okay, Pak Boom, come measure this letter. What letter? L. Okay. Thank you. Good job. You can just put it there. Got it? It's heavy. She's checking it out. It's a heavy one. How much does that rock L weigh? 9 what? 9 kilograms. Okay. All right. Which one is heavier, W or L? L. Which one is lighter? Which one is lighter? W. Here, I'll help you. Oh, it's heavy. You're right. Lighter. Okay. So look on your paper where your W and L guess is. It might not be your first one, so make sure you're looking where W and L are. And our heavier item was what? L or W? L. So under heavier, I'm going to put L. Under lighter, I will put W. And it's in the same row as my guess or my hypothesis for L and W. And write it down on your paper. Okay. Did you write it down? Gotta write it down, my friends. Okay, write down for L and W. Heavier and lighter. We're doing this side now. We're doing this side. So Lakao, you're finished. Come on up. Yeah, just like that. Prao, you're finished. Come on up. Measure our next. Finished? Okay, you want to write on this side. Over here. Okay. Okay, let's do the fish first. What letter is the fish? R. Okay, R. So look at your row where you have F and R. Go ahead and weigh that fish. How much does that fish weigh? 1? Is it 1 or 0? What do you think? Get your L and your R. Hold on. What do you think? 0 or 1? 1? I don't know. Take a look. Okay. Get your L and your W right here. 0. Okay. What letter is the fish? R. Our fish pillow doesn't weigh anything. 0 kilograms. What about our box? What letter is the box? What letter is on that box? What letter? Guys, what letter is on the box? F. Okay. We're figuring out our... Good job. 14. Okay, 14 kilograms. Which one is heavier, the fish or the box? The box is heavier. Good job. Okay. Thank you. Good work, friends. That was heavy, huh? You're strong. Okay. Go back to your desk. Good job. Go back to your desk. We're going to write them down. So, hold on. Did you write these on your paper yet? Okay. We got to write them on our paper first. So R or F was heavier? R was heavier? F. Okay, so find your row with F and R. F is heavier. R is lighter. F is heavier. R is lighter. Okay. Okay. Got it?
Got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Put your F and your R on the row with F and R. Put your F and R here. Yep, you got it. You got it? Go on, put your F and your R on the row with F and R here. Yeah. F and R. Got it, friends? Got it, friends? Good job. Okay. Who else needs to measure? If you have not measured, okay, come on up. And Nadia, if you have not measured, come on up. Okay. Okay, we've got our last two things. And then, okay, then he can come up. He can come up or he can stay. Doesn't matter. What letter do we have on that bag? V. It's heavy. It's heavy. Can you help Nadia? Can you help Nadia put that on the scale?
Sit down. No.
Can you help Nadia put that on the scale? Okay. Take a look. How much does that weigh? What do you think, girls? How much does that weigh? 9. And what letter is on it? Pot. What letter is on that bag? What's this letter? V. So V weighs 9 kilograms. Okay. Ned, can you help? Okay, she's strong. She's got it. How much does that weigh? 10 kilograms. What letter is on that? Nuh-uh. J. Good job. J equals 10 kilograms. Okay, friends, you can head back to your desk. Fill out your last one. You can go back to your desk. We're going to fill out your last one. You can go back to your desk. We're going to fill out our last one. Which is heavier, J or V? J. So should I put the J here? No, this is the lighter side. I want to put my J here and my V right here because the J is heavier, the V is lighter. So fill out your last part of the paper. And then you can look at your paper. You can look at your hypothesis or your guess and see if you had the right answer or not. And if it's not the right answer, that's okay. That's okay. It doesn't matter. It's important that you just think about it. Okay? So thanks for joining us today for our math lesson. Can everybody say goodbye?
Goodbye.